Hi everyone. So I had built this pergola that you see behind me about a year and a half ago, and I want to show you guys something. Okay, so as you can tell here, the when I put this post up, and this is a 6x6, I did not have these. Oh shit! I got a splinter. All right. Okay, so I didn't have these cracks in here before, and I think what happens over time, and again, this is probably like about less than a year and a half, this post. So what I did was I started noticing that it started to split, and this is actually pretty big. You get a close up to it, and it's not just up there, but then as you keep going down, so, and then down. Now, fortunately, this is the only post of the 4, and I plan to drive in a couple more behind me, but so far the other ones haven't been splitting at all. I think what helped it out a little bit was because of the ties, but maybe just the different wood. So this is more like a product review. I went online and I actually saw this, and this is actually made by Ozco. They're not paying me to do this, but I thought maybe this might help for those that are out there. They have this at, I believe it's like 4x4, 6x6, 8x8 wood posts, and what it does, it just pretty much keeps the post together so it doesn't split. I am not going to do 2 on each post. This is kind of costly, but because I have some Simpson time brackets going around on each side, more towards the lower part of the each post, I'm just going to kind of really just place it right in the middle, and it's fairly easy to assemble. So when you take off the lid here, now this is a quantity of 9 posts, but they're all the same 4 pieces, and they kind of go in together, kind of just like that. So each L, that, and then this one goes in like this. They kind of all just bracket in, and it also has screws, so the screws actually go in from there. So it you know, so as you're screwing it in, the brackets, if you kind of do a close up, it actually, wait, hold on, what's it do? Oh no, I'm sorry. The screw hole is on this side, right? So you see the screw hole in. So what it does is it actually squeezes the brackets together as you're screwing it tighter. And I already started having one over here. So it takes like a 10mm socket wrench, but you go all around on each side and tighten each one right there, and then also behind. So you can still use it for the wood that's already started to split. My goal now is really to keep it more so from kind of coming apart. Now I've read and seen places where it doesn't take much out of the post. It's very insignificant when you have cracks like that, but I think with mine a little bit huger gashes going across, I don't think it's a defect of the wood. I think it's just how it was just made. So I'm gonna do another video when I have it up. Okay, so what I did was I tightened it over there. I didn't tighten it, but I just made it snug. Then I want to go over here and pretty much do the same thing. Just when it starts to get snug, I wouldn't come around here. And you kind of want to do this evenly all around. You don't want to make one side too tight, because if you do, then it's gonna offset, and you want everything to be about just the same all throughout. So that's and I'm gonna go around the other side as well and do it. I am able to get everything all around pretty snug and tight, and it looks like it's gonna be holding up pretty good. I'm not gonna drive any nails in there. I don't think there was any recommendation for that, although I think you could if you'd like. Again, my goal isn't to try to squeeze the 2 pieces of wood together now, although it's one piece. Looks like it's gonna split into 2. It's more so to keep it from cracking even more. And as I mentioned, I do have ties here to kind of at least keep the wood together on all sides. So I'm going to put a Ozco tie there and there, as well as there. For this side over here, I'm actually going to chop that wood down because that's going to be more of a weight for a concrete tabletop I plan to put up there, as well as down here. Okay, thanks for watching.